You can flip the back up so you can see it while
Oh,
you're...
that's cool. Oh, neat.
Neato. It's so cool.
So, you want them to...
There we go. Okay, so it does tell you how much time you have left down here on the bottom. Look, down here. Like, you can...
Christmas Day doubleheader concludes with Monday Night Football
Neat.
starting at 8:30 p.m.
What do you think?
That's really cool.
The quality is so much better
Then your iPhone camera?
than my iPhone camera. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to Tori. Oh my gosh, so cool. I just got home from Dustin's Aunt Colleen's. I got my new Nikon camera. It is so cool. It's a Nikon A900 maybe, and I think the quality is going to be so much better than my iPhone quality. I can tell it's got a much wider shot. You can see in the background much more. Dustin got a Nintendo Switch, and I got my camera, which that's all I really wanted, so I'm really excited about that. Oh my gosh, the quality is so much better. It's not like top notch or anything, but I just started my YouTube channel, so I don't really want anything crazy. I didn't vlog yesterday night. I just kind of went to bed. I was so tired, and I worked today. I worked on Christmas Day until 5 o'clock. And then we went to Dustin's aunt's, excuse me, and we played Uno Attack that my sister got me for Christmas. And now I'm about to shower and go to bed because I do have to work 6 to 1 tomorrow. The roads are horrible. It's just a blizzard out there, so I'm going to need to leave much earlier than I normally would. So I'm going to have to give myself over an hour to get to work rather than like 40 minutes or so. Because I'm not going fast. I'll try to vlog a little tomorrow. I'm so nervous to take this camera with me. It's not just like my phone that I can take anywhere. It's an actual like camera. So I'm going to try to get used to it. I want to get like something to hold it a little better so it's not like my hand all the time. Oh, the quality is so good. Okay, I know it's probably not that important. I'm just wigging out. Look. Okay. Alright. Merry Christmas, guys. Have a good night. Alright, so I just got home from work and I see that Dustin had brought in a Christmas present that was sent to me by my dad and grandma. I almost opened it right up. But I was like, you know what? I should vlog it because I know that they don't get to see me. Oh, that's bright. They don't get to see me open them, so I got this little guy. I don't know if it's a necklace or what it is, but I think I might use it as like a strap for my camera. I think it would attach to both sides and be a really good strap for my camera. So the next one, I kind of have an idea of what it might be because it's what I asked for. Oh, and I can see what it says. Okay, let me turn it around. Alright, so it's all wrapped up. I can tell that it says a willow tree on it, which I love willow tree. Oh my goodness. It's called Love My Dog. Hey Bailey, you wanna not do that while I'm trying to record? It's alright. Okay. See if I can pop this thing open. Oh, yes. Oh no, it's so cute. Hard to do it with one hand. Alright, let me set them up here for you. Oh My goodness, he's so cute. It's a little doggy. I'll have to show you the ones she got me last year. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, Dad and Grandma. I love it. It looks like Owen, and it is so cute. Let me turn on my light in here. I'll put it right beside my one I got last year. Oh, come on. This outlet doesn't work ever. Got it. Okay, come on. There we go. All right, so. This is the one that I got last year, and it looks like me and Owen, like hugging. Oh my god, I love it so much. And now, that's a plaque. That's my very first one. And now I have one to add to it. Oh my god, I love it so much. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Speaking of little doggies, in about 30 minutes we're gonna go, you know where. Hi, Billy Cat. Say hi. And then we also, ignore my bed, have a little quickwab. Hi, Bubba. You good boys? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love my presents. I'm gonna try to put that strap on my camera. Oh. Ah. That was so bright. Okay, I'm gonna try to put that strap on my camera. That way, because the strap that it came with, it's a little small. I'll have to do like a little kind of review sort of dealio so you guys can see. Because the case that it came with is small and the strap that it came with is small. I do like the camera itself. So far, so good. But, yeah, I don't like the case. I have to get a new case, and I don't... The strap's okay. It's not bad. I shouldn't say that it's bad. Oh. Okay, you can't have that. Him can't have that. You're a silly boy. You're a silly boy. Alright, I'm going to take a certain little tan puppy to go play in a little bit. I got to get some warm clothes on. And then we'll be heading on our way to the park. Hi, Owen. Hi, Owen. Good boy. You have so much snow on your face. Your whole face is covered in snow. Look at you. You found another bolly. That's not even the one I have. Hehehe. Good boy. It is almost 9 o'clock. I guess where we stayed at Colleen's pretty late last night. Well, not late, but had to be up at like 4. So I guess where we were there until about 10 o'clock or so. I was still very tired, and as soon as we got home from the dog park, I slept on the couch. I've slept since we got there. Excuse me, I'm tired. Whoa. I've slept since I got home. Dustin caught me twice and talked to me. And whew, that was a big one. And, yeah, I'm so tired. So we're gonna go to the store because I bought bread the other day, like ciabatta bread, because I love ciabatta bread when I get Wegman subs. And then I didn't buy anything for the subs, like I didn't buy any like meat or cheese, so I have to do that. And some Cheez-Its. Of course, some Cheez-Its. So Dustin's on his way home. He'll be home in about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and sign off because I'm exhausted. The holidays are exhausting, especially when you work for the holidays. So I work the next couple of days. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog the next couple of days, but I think I'm off the weekend, so I'll be able to vlog then. Maybe it's barking outside and the neighbors are going to hate me, so I'm gonna go get him. And Dustin will be home in about 8 minutes. We'll go to the store. I will see you guys probably not tomorrow, but in a couple of days. Good night. Also, let me know what you think about the new quality of the camera. It's going to be so different to upload and edit. Hopefully it'll be a lot easier for me. And I'm hoping that it looks as good on the computer as it does in person. It looks really good. I can't stop looking in the viewfinder. It's embarrassing, but I really love my camera so far. And yeah. Let me know what you think of the quality. And thank you for liking my videos. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. We got, let's get out of there. We went to Walmart and got me a tripod so I can hold my camera a little better. It's the same brand as my little portable charger. Oh, everyone's so excited. We'll hold. I'm going to give it a go here and see if I like it.
From a helicopter. Gun enthusiast.
Pretty nice.
Oh yeah, I'm a gun.
Definitely don't have to hold my arm as high to get a decent angle now. Because before my arm would have to be way up there. This thing is pretty bendy. So you can get a decent grip.
This and I'll discharge a load for you.
Yeah. That's $20 on spleen.
Mindless Hollywood cocksuckers are not against guns.
It has such a nice picture on that camera.
Yeah, it's super.
Shooting somebody's part of the American dream.
Maybe they have that more into the Chiefs game.
I know.
They got some real nice pictures.
But we'll have it for our vacations this year coming up.
Speaking of mindless,
Oh, I gotta get my arm worked out because it's definitely nice. I don't hold my arm up as high, but
your honor student.
like hold your arm above your head for like 10 minutes straight, holding a camera and balancing it, make sure that it doesn't leave that one exact spot. Not super easy. Oh my gosh, I love this little like tripod, and it like sits down on the surface as well. So let's see if I can get it sit down. Okay, struggling. Anyway, my camera's sideways on it, but it does. Yeah, tripod. Neat. Of course, I have it angled weird because that's how I need it when I hold it, but super neat. Super stoked about it. No. Oh. Hi. Hey, you. Where'd you go?
Todd.
Dustin's gonna make me. Can you guess what he's gonna make me? And we're gonna say it in 3, 2, 1. Steak. And it's 10 o'clock, but I haven't eaten since 1 o'clock. He hasn't eaten today because he got busy at work. So we're super hungry, even though it's super late. And I know I said I wasn't gonna vlog, but I am doing it anyway. Gosh, I'm just so excited about this whole tripod shenanigans. I just need to get a better carrying case for it now because, like I said, the one that came with is garbage.
I thought I said in that video, Todd.
You should. Alright. This might be the end. This might be the end of my vlog today. Who knows, because I always say it's the end and it may not be. Wheelchair! Are you on the counters? Yeah, it is. Wink.
Can you wash those two frying pans for me?
No. All right. Bye, everybody. Maybe. Who knows? This might be the end.
I'll cook you dinner here.